No, but you wait for me. I
Pressman,
think for a purpose though.
Tubman House in Maryland County.
For me. I'm not into all of that, okay?
Okay, alright, sister.
This is President Tubman House, believed to have an abandoned safe with treasure in it that everybody tried to open but they cannot. Also believed to have like a exit route underneath it leading directly to this ocean. The ocean is that way. The ocean that way. They said there's a route going from underneath here to the ocean. So, and they got a missing craft sign in front of it. What type of question is it?
It's not what it is, though.
This is a compound.
People that be us, they be us, the email.
So what we're gonna do next time? This is a random visit. Next time we're gonna ask for permission to really have access to this. Morning Star Line number 6 AF and AML.
The place large, you can't enter because the people are using the area. Okay.
So this is Tubman building. The ex-president Tubman. This is his house. Believed to have a lot of conspiracy going on. You know, they said there's a safe box in there that even the NFL couldn't open, or AFL, or police couldn't open, citizen couldn't open. That's what I heard. But we don't have access to it right now. This is Maryland Hopper, home of President Tubman. This is one of his houses. He technically, this is the only president to believe to have houses. I believe to have houses in different counties. We saw one of the houses in Granger there, but also there was no access to it, so I didn't do a video. Next time I'm gonna come do a video on these things. I'm gonna properly ask for permission. So this is where we are. That's the ocean view right there. It's an old building, ancient building.
What is it? List of elected officers. Oh, just a list of the officers elected to this regime. Oh, okay, this regime. Yeah.
Elected officers?
Yeah. Most worshipful, kind, love, patient, free, and accepted Masons, Republic of Liberia. Masonic year AL 5969 to AL 5970. Most word. Brother WM Arrow Tobot Chinion 33. Grandmaster of Manson, Republic of Liberia. RT Ward Brother Macklin A. Then Shield 32. Deputy Grandmaster.
The grandmaster.
He's a Mason.
Yeah, that's a Mason. The
Masonic
ROT.
craft.
Yeah.
Yeah. ROT.
Ward,
Brother E.
Jonathan.
Okay, but you see, that's why I don't believe the whole Mason nonsense. Because Mason will not publicly display their name.
Yeah, name's true. Yeah.
So, this is a conspiracy theory to make people believe in something amazing or anything. You can prove me wrong. I'm not saying it's fact or not, but based on the secrecy of the Mason, they are a new entity running the world powerfully. So you can't publicly display their name. That's an identity right there. So I have a problem with that. But it is what it is. It could be right, it could be wrong. Anybody can do their own research.